As educators, I think it's safe to say that we all want our students to be able to participate in our curriculum and instruction. However, sometimes it is necessary to modify our curriculum and tailor our instruction appropriately, in accordance with students' needs. So today, we will be discussing what are curriculum modifications, the importance of these modifications, and most importantly, ways to think about modifying your curriculum. Curriculum modification refers to when teachers alter their units to better meet students where they are currently academically and socio-emotionally. These changes can affect what students learn or the environment in which they learn. The changes made to classroom activities or to physical aspects of the classroom must be intentional and informed by a variety of assessments. In accordance with the data, rigorous academic goals ought to be designed to stretch students from their current abilities, closing gaps in their knowledge as they work towards grade-level standards. Modifications to curriculum are often confused with accommodations. Modifications are adjustments that impact the content and, in turn, learning goals of units of study. Accommodations are changes made to instruction that accommodate students in learning the material. In other words, curriculum modification affects the what of a unit, and accommodation affect how students learn the material. According to Sandel, Schwartz, Joseph, and Govreau, there are 8 different strategies to address curriculum modifications. These include providing environmental support, adapting materials, simplifying the activity, incorporating choices based on the student's interests, allowing and providing the use of special equipment, getting support from teachers, setting up peer support, and thinking through invisible supports that do not draw attention to the students. You should not make all of these changes. Pick a target area and begin thereafter considering what your student or students may need to achieve. Now, let me describe some ways in which you could potentially modify your curriculum. Number 1, reduction of homework. This could be a successful approach for educating students without imposing any kind of burden on them. They will be better able to focus, do their work more effectively, and comprehend concepts as a result of getting enough rest. Number 2, simplified vocabulary and concepts. Simplified vocabulary is preferable when instructing students and assigning projects. You will be able to explain the concepts in a clearer manner and increase the likelihood that the students will comprehend them all. Number 3, provide picture support. Visual support might play a vital role in teaching students, as images enable students to make connections between diverse areas of knowledge, quickly absorb large amounts of course material, and act as a memory aid, all of which are benefits that teachers value. Number 4, use of a calculator. Calculators should be permitted in the classroom by teachers so that students will enjoy math more. It also eliminates tiresome, lengthy work, which allows students to focus on important arithmetic concepts while promoting accuracy by enabling students to review their own work. Number 5, grading based on work completion. This approach ensures that students are treated fairly and justly. The effort students put into projects and other classroom activities should be considered by teachers when evaluating students' work completion, rather than just basing their marks solely on the results of the final exam. This way, the students might be able to improve and learn better without being stressed. In short, curriculum modifications are not just for students with learning disabilities, 504 plans, or individualized educational plans. They can and should be used to support all students who need them. Modifications make the material a lot more manageable for the students, allowing them to excel and learn at their present level rather than failing. Assignment is key in identifying what students are able to do. From there, build on their strengths and use modifications to your curriculum to stretch their learning and growth in the areas that need support. To summarize the whole thing, curriculum modification is a change to an existing syllabus or set of resources used in the classroom to boost students' engagement. There are 8 major types of curriculum modification. Some ways of modifying the curriculum include reducing homework, simplifying vocabulary and concepts when instructing students, providing visual support, enabling the use of calculators in the classroom, and grading based on work completion. Curriculum modification should be made to support all students in accordance with the support they need. That is a wrap on this video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to press the like button. Tell us, What curriculum modification did you place in your classroom, and how did they change everything? Plus, if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, make sure to write them in the comments section below. Thank you for your service, educators. Until the next time, adios.